Is yoga a good workout for strength?
Yoga is an effective way to build strength. Many yoga poses require you to support your own body weight, which activates and tones major muscle groups. Holding poses such as plank, warrior, and chair challenges your arms, legs, back, and core. While yoga may not build muscle mass like weightlifting, it develops functional strength and improves muscular endurance.
Does yoga improve flexibility?
Yoga is widely recognized for enhancing flexibility. Regular practice includes stretches and movements that lengthen muscles and improve joint mobility. Over time, poses like downward dog and seated forward bends gently increase your range of motion. Greater flexibility can also help reduce muscle tightness, improve posture, and lower the risk of certain injuries.
Can beginners use yoga for fitness?
Yoga is accessible to beginners and adaptable to most fitness levels. You don't need to be flexible or strong to start. Classes often offer modifications for different abilities, and progress happens gradually. Beginners can build a foundation with gentle poses, then advance to more challenging sequences as strength and flexibility improve.
Is yoga a complete exercise routine?
Yoga can be part of a balanced fitness routine. It supports strength, flexibility, and balance, and can also promote relaxation and mindfulness. However, for cardiovascular health, it may be helpful to combine yoga with other activities such as walking, cycling, or swimming. Many people use yoga to complement other forms of exercise.
What styles of yoga focus on strength and flexibility?
Different yoga styles emphasize strength and flexibility in unique ways. Power yoga, vinyasa, and ashtanga are usually more dynamic and physically challenging, building both strength and flexibility. Hatha and yin yoga focus more on gentle stretches, relaxation, and gradual improvement in flexibility. Exploring various styles can help you find what fits your goals.